Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Fathom video email. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you sign up for Fathom video, but you incorrectly sign up with the wrong Gmail or email. How do you actually go ahead and change your email? There's actually two ways about going this. The first way that I actually did was I actually just signed up for a Fathom account using a different email. So that's what I did. But then later on, I found out that you could actually go ahead and email help@fathom.video or fill out their email change request form, and their team will help you get started with the process. Personally, I think that if you just sign up for a different Fathom account, especially if you haven't started with Fathom just yet, that will do the trick as far as signing up with the correct email that you want to. But if you already have an established Fathom account and you want to keep all your recordings, then most certainly email help@fathom.video and they'll help you with the email change process. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on Fathom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.